Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General. Let's see what they have, guys. So I'm absolutely loving these towels, these hand towels. Look at the tassel on the bottom, guys. I like that. And look at this one. Now, this is the first time I've seen this one. That is so nice. And then these microfiber washcloths, those are $1. So here are the vinyl tablecloths. And these colors, these are $1. And look at this, guys. They have the placemats. Live simply. And how much are those? Those are $3 a piece. Then they have these trays. And the trays are $5. And then you have these bird feeders right here. And those are $3. And here's one in the blue, and there's one back there in the red. So then they have this right here, this chalkboard. Those are $1. Those are $1, guys, in this style and that style back there. So these jars right here are $4, and they come in this style. And look at this style, guys. And this one over here, I don't think I've seen. This is $3.50, and that comes with the cover. And here it is in the green. See? So you have the white and the green. And these are really pretty, guys. Look at this. So this is $5. And then these little accent flower pots are $1. So here are the studded glasses. These are $1, guys. Then they have the stemless wine glasses for $1. And then look at this butter dish. You see it? Guys, look at this butter dish with the cows along the bottom. So this is $5, these. So here are your melamine plates at $2 a piece. This is a recipe box, guys. This is so cute. I haven't seen one of those in so long. And then they have these studded glasses with the tops and the straw. Those are in that green color. And here are your little ice cream bowls. Aren't they adorable in plastic? Those are $1. Look at the colors, guys. Blue, pink, and that green. So here, I'm absolutely loving these. Aren't these beautiful, guys? These are $2.50. Okay, guys, so here you have some tumblers along the top here. These are some popsicle makers, guys. These are really cute. So these are $1.50. Then you have these big tumblers back there. I think they're really nice. Then you have these. These are nice. These are $4 a piece. I'm loving this color blue, guys. So these are $1.50 each. And they come in this peach color and this green color. And they have those tumblers back there for $4. So here they have some more tumblers, and here they have this little pitcher, water pitcher. That's $5. And they have this wire basket. Okay, then they have these multiple packs of these plastic serving trays for outside. They have the ice trays for $1. And then this is a nice size basket for $4. So here is beast mode. Here they have these baskets here, these weave baskets here. These are $1. Then they have this serving bowl set of 8. And I'm not sure what price is on that. Then they have these tumblers here and this, and they have these drinking tumblers. Look at that. It's pretty big. That is $3.50. This is so pretty. And these have some bling on it. You know me, focused and fabulous. I like that. Isn't that nice? Focused and fabulous. Wow, I like that. Okay, so then underneath you have the scrubbing bubbles, and this is really nice, this bucket. I like that. So you have some Windex here and some Pledge, some more bling tumblers here, and some deviled eggs holders is what I call them. This is clearance, 40% off. Look at these. I never saw these before. These are $4, so $4, 40% off. Then these are glass jars with the wooden top. This one is cracked though. This one is cracked too. But these jars are so pretty, aren't they? Look at that. Then that pillow is $8, and what are these over here? So keep moving. I like that, guys. That's my motto. Let's keep it moving. Okay, life's short like the bowl. Hello, spring. That's really cute. And then this compartment tray, and then this is, I don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm liking these baskets here. They're $5, but it's 40% off, and I love these. These are really nice. These are $3. Then this is from the nautical collection they had. And look at these candle guys. Aren't they beautiful? Look at this. So these are $4 at 40% off. And these dishes are really nice, these plastic ones. So they have some more nautical stuff there, and here's some wicker stuff. Then they have those gift boxes here, and then this Live, Love, and Laugh mat is $8. And you have some bottled water and some drink items over here, the ice up on top. And guys, I never saw this before. You see this? Isn't that adorable? I like that. That's $3. So they have it in the pink and the blue. And you know I love these vases, guys. So these are $4. And then these are ice pop makers. $1.50 each. That's the pineapple. Okay, let's see what else they have here. The pineapple, the watermelon, and the cactus. Isn't that cactus pretty? Those are nice popsicle makers, guys. And then here you have this. These are silicone trays. I think these are the tropical silicone trays, and these are the fruit ice cubes. And here you have the ice cream scoops for $1. Bottle openers with the palm tree and the pineapple. That's so pretty. And here you have the little glasses. So you have some outdoor stakes, and then here you have the burlap placemats for $3. Family is the greatest blessing, and that's the only thing they say. And then here's the compartment, galvanized metal. This is $15, guys. So here it says Bless America, USA. So this is all 4th of July stuff. And I'm really loving these baskets, guys. These baskets are like $3. This one is $3 over here, and then this one here is $5. Aren't they beautiful though? And then I never saw this one at the other Dollar General. This is $4.50. I love that. This is the chicken wire frame, wall frame. And then here are the galvanized chargers. Here's the muffin pan, and I like this home hook. This is nice. $5. So they have the salt and pepper shaker and the pig and the rooster. So it says never trust a skinny cook. I read that at the other Dollar General. That was so cute. Life is short, make it sweet. Isn't that adorable? And it is a 2-pack, guys. So here you have the tablecloths for $4. And you have it in this kind and those right there. And you have the wooden spoons. Oh, look at this. I never saw this. The wine cellar. Okay. They have these bowls right here. They say enjoy. They're stackable. And they're ceramic too. These are $7, guys. Then you have the bamboo trivets. And then you have the mason jar. Glass. Guys, isn't this adorable? Born to Sparkle. I love that. It's not on sale though, but I love that. Now look at this. Those are like bamboo chargers. Yes, hyacinth chargers. Look at these. These are really cute too. $6. That's 2 farmhouse for me. And here's the galvanized frame. And I think I showed you this before. So here you have the 1 cup. I like these. And look at this. Isn't this adorable? This is $3. Feel the Beat. I never saw that one. That's $3. Bless Our Home. That's adorable. What is that? Kiss the Cook. Kiss the Cook. God bless this home. And those cute little pillow decorations. Aren't they cute? Very nice, guys. Look at the birdhouse in red, white, and blue. And then these are the candles. The light up candles. It's so good to be home. And this one says, let's stay home. So they have the rooster canisters there and the ceramic plates on the bottom, guys. Okay, and this is $6. See that, guys? That's really pretty. There's the body pillows and there's the mats. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General just to check out their stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.